Now we want to find out the potential energy of a dipole in an external field. For that, first up here we consider the electric field. Suppose here this will be the direction of external electric field. This will be the uniform electric field intensity E. Here inside this field we kept the one of the electric dipole. You know the meaning of electric dipole. Suppose here if we kept the electric dipole, inside this electric field. Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges which is separating by the finite distance. That is called as the electric dipole. And the dipole moment of this electric dipole is P, which is equal to the Q into the 2L. Here, suppose here at this end we kept the negative charge and to this end we kept the positive charge. It means that this electric dipole which is placed inside the electric field. But again, their initial position is inclined position. Right? Their initial angle, suppose their initial angle is a theta 0. Then at that times what happen? This electric field intensity which acts the force on the both the poles, that is on the both the charges. Here on the positive charge the force is act. What to get there? Force which is equal to the their magnitude of charge is Q and the magnitude of electric field intensity is E. So that's why here the force F which is equal to the Q into the E, or in terms of the vector what we get there, Q into the vector E. Similarly at the negative charge, here it means that along this direction the second force is act. So F which is equal to the minus, here the here we kept the negative charge, so that's why negative sign. So Q into the electric field intensity is E. Suppose this the point is A, this the point is B. Right? Here we kept this dipole inside the external electric field. So that's why due to these two equal and opposite forces, equal and opposite force acting on this dipole, here this dipole experience the torque. Here the torque experienced by this electric dipole, then the magnitude of that torque is torque experienced by dipole, and their value is vector tau which is equal to the, here the value of electric dipole moment is P. So what you get there? Vector P cross vector E. So this much amount of torque is acting on the electric dipole by the external electric field. Right? In terms of the magnitude which is written as tau which is equal to the P A, what you get there? Sin theta. Why sin theta? Because of cross product. Suppose this will be the equation number 1. And now due to this torque this dipole is rotated, but now here we want to neutralize this torque. So for that here we want to consider the another torque that is called as the external torque. Now for to balance the existing torque there, consider the external torque. For to balance the existing torque, consider consider the external torque. Here, if we consider that external torque is tau external, right? And this external torque is trying to balance to this torque, right? So that's why their work is done. Here the value of work done is, so work done which is equal to the, here integration, here integration from angle theta 0 to theta, it means that dipole is displaced, that is their angular displacement from theta 0 to theta, right? It means that rotating from theta 0 to theta. So what you get there, tau external into the, what you get there, d theta. But here the value of tau external is nothing but the existing torque, because of their magnitude are same, then and then they are neutralized to each others, right? So that's why your formula is theta, so integration from theta 0 to theta, here the value of tau external is PA sin theta into the d theta. Here the magnitude of P and E is remain same, so kept outside the integration sign. So what you get there, P into the A, integration from theta 0 to theta of sin theta into the d theta. And we know that the integration of sin theta, integration of sin theta is nothing but the minus cos theta, but integration of sin theta which is equal to the minus cos theta. Now we want to substitute that. So work done which is equal to the, what you get there, now this PE as it is, right? And integration of this one is minus cos theta, so their limit is from theta 0 to theta. Now we want to keep the limits. First up here we want to keep the upper limit, then we want to keep the lower limit. So what you get there, so PA, that is electric dipole moment into the electric field intensity, what you get there, minus cos theta minus, and again due to the when we kept the lower limit, then again we take the minus sign, so that minus minus get plus, so what you get there, cos theta 0, right? So again here we write this equation, so work done W which is equal to the PA inside the bracket cos theta 0 minus cos theta, right? So this much amount of work is done, and that work done is nothing but the potential energy. So potential energy which is equal to the electric dipole moment into the A into the cos theta 0 minus cos theta, right? So this will be the value of electrical potential energy of dipole in an external field. Now we are using this equation, we want to see the different case, that is a case 1. Case 1, suppose that if we consider initially this dipole is placed perpendicular to the external electric field, then what we get there, theta 0 which is equal to the pi by 2, and we know that cos pi by 2 which is equal to the 0. Then at that time the value of potential energy is, what you get there, electric dipole moment into the electric field intensity, here the value of cos 90 is 0, so that's why what you get there, simply minus cos theta, right? So this is about the first case. Now the second case, suppose if we consider initially this dipole is placed parallel to the external electric field, then how much amount of work is done, that is how much amount of potential energy is stored inside this dipole, what you get there, if theta 0 which is equal to the 0, then cos 0 which is equal to the 1, so what you get there, potential energy which is equal to the P into the E into the, what you get there, 1 minus cos theta. So this much amount of potential energy is stored inside the electric dipole in an external electric field. Right? So this is about the potential energy of a dipole in an external field. See once this one. Right? Thank you.